Meta Smart Glasses LED lights flashing red or white. Meaning and fix. Meta Smart Glasses use small indicator lights to show their current status. Each color or pattern has a meaning, like pairing, charging, or updating. Now let's review what each light means and how to fix common issues. Flashing white light. A flashing white light means your glasses are either pairing or updating. If pairing, turn on Bluetooth and open the MetaView app. If updating, keep your glasses charged and connected to Wi-Fi and wait until the update completes. Solid red light. A solid red light shows the battery is low. Place your glasses in the charging case or plug them into a power source using the included cable. Once charging starts, the light will change to confirm power is flowing. Flashing red light. A flashing red light signals an error or overheating issue. Restart your glasses first, and if they feel warm, remove them and let them cool in a shaded, well-ventilated area. Check for any blocked vents before using them again. No light. No light means your glasses are off, drained, or malfunctioning. Connect them to a charger and wait for a red light. If fully charged but still off, hold the power button or perform a factory reset. If nothing works, contact Meta Support.